Good Tuesday morning. We have a pretty active stretch on the way. As of right now, we have a winter weather advisory in the dark blue colors. It's going to be from the Highway 30 corridor on north, and that's where we're expecting a little bit of light icing coming in with a wintry mix and some very slight snowfall amounts through tonight. Should be an inch or less. But a winter storm watch in the light blue, and that will extend all the way out towards western Iowa. And that's due to the potential of blizzard conditions from blowing snow and really strong winds tonight. So travel going to look a little bit dicey starting today all the way through tomorrow. Let's start with Futurecast, and we're going to see cloud cover for this morning. We're going to see temperatures climbing from the 20s into the 30s, eventually seeing that wintry mix working its way in about 2 or 3 o'clock, and it's going to really depend on where the temperatures are at that point. Some of us still below freezing, 30 to about 32 degrees, and so that's where that little glazing of ice could come into play. Especially untreated surfaces like sidewalks, back roads, things like that, going to get really slippery. Doesn't matter how much ice you have, any amount can be a big problem. Now, I do expect temperatures to continue to go up as we head through the evening, so that will give us more rain, very cold rain in the west and south, and eventually maybe some snow mixing in with the wintry mix in our far northeastern counties. But a lot of that will start to track out about 9 o'clock. We'll catch a break in the activity from about 9 p.m. to 2 a.m. Once we see that next round of snow moving by, it's behind the cold front, so temperatures are going to be dropping, winds are going to be picking up, and again, should be some bursts of snow through the overnight hours into early tomorrow morning, and that's where we see maybe an inch or less of accumulation. So not going to be a lot, but there are some more issues to look at here. Let's start with the glazing of ice that we could see. Again, Highway 30 on north in that white color. That's where things could be very slippery, especially if they're not treated with salt. So just be aware of that, and that's what's giving us the winter weather advisory. Trace to 1 inch of snow for the same area, mostly our northern counties there. So the snowfall amount, not the biggest problem, but some other storm impacts here. Temperatures will be dropping as we go through tonight, and so we could see some refreezing. Any sort of liquid on the roads could turn into ice. We're also looking at the winds picking up to 50-mile-per-hour gusts. Yeah, that's a big problem. They'll come in from the west and the northwest, giving us the blizzard or near blizzard conditions. We have all that fresh snow on the ground. The biggest question mark here will be to the blowability, so to speak, of the snowfall. If we get rain, if we get temperatures above freezing and see some melting, that could put a little crust on the snow. That would be a great thing. We wouldn't see as much of it blowing around. But with the winds being so strong, we just can't rule it out. And that's why the winter storm watch is in effect for our western counties and for the rest of the state further off to the west. You look at the wind gusts as we go past this evening, they really crank up 42 miles per hour there at 11 p.m. as high as about 50 here overnight. And that big area of strong wind gusts will start to track out through tomorrow morning. Still, I think we're looking at wind gusts of 40 to 45 tomorrow morning, and then there should be improvement through the afternoon. So blowing, drifting snow probably going to be an issue for a lot of tomorrow, likely to be some cancellations and some delays. Beyond that, it looks like more snow on the way for Thursday into Thursday night. Another clipper system will come on by, so we can't rule out more accumulations there. And just wait, there's more. How about Friday night into Saturday? It looks like another shot for some snowfall. That's another clipper system coming by. So winter still looking to be really strong here as we go through the next week. Otherwise, today you do have warm temperatures, upper 30s and low 40s, but just kind of depends on the timing with that wintry mix. Before we get above freezing, we may see some of that freezing drizzle or freezing rain move in, and it could be a little bit icy for the evening commute. Temperatures tonight drop to the 20s. The winds get really strong, and any rain will turn to some light snow showers, but also the blowing snow will continue through tomorrow, even once the snow wraps up early in the morning. And temperatures, by the way, will continue to fall from the 20s. So it's going to get really cold tomorrow, and temperatures will keep going down about the low to mid 20s for highs on Thursday as snow works its way back in late in the day. High of 18 on Friday with cloud cover, so we're not even seeing any sunshine here. And then another chance for snow in the early part of the weekend. Those high temperatures, 5 degrees on Saturday, 4 on Sunday, and the lows could be in the double digits below 0.